Mersey Forest are the project coordinators. We help to bring together lots of different partners and make sure that the work gets done across the whole of the project area. The project's come about because we're trying to make sure that the setting for the development of Wirral Waters is as attractive as it possibly can be, and that local people feel a real ownership with the work that's happening in their area.
North Birkenhead Development Trust, as the community anchor organisation, has been privileged to be working with Mersey Forest on this greening project since it started. Through our relationship with the community, we've been able to ensure that local schools, Portland Primary School, partners through Wirral Partnership Homes, the Wirral Council, Wirral Met College and the Prince's Trust have all been part of this greening project.
Well, as you might expect, the Mersey Forest are very keen on trees, but we see trees as being a means to an end, and that end is all about creating a much better green infrastructure for Birkenhead. And by that we mean using the trees to do a wide range of things, like taking pollution out of the air so we have cleaner air to breathe. We want them to help to adapt this place to climate change. We're trying to create places that are attractive for investment so we can draw more jobs, more businesses into the area. We want to make places that are healthy and active for people as well, so people enjoy the outdoors much more. And also we want to make sure that people see these places as places which they're proud of as well, so they're involved in the tree planting, they're involved in the artwork, and they feel a close affinity to their natural environment. So far we've asked lots of people what they would like to see changed in their area. We've spoken to the people who are making the investments in the area, particularly down at Wirral Waters, and we've planned for putting trees in the places where they're going to have most impact along the main roads that lead down to Wirral Waters, that lead into Birkenhead, and we've also made sure that people feel part of all that change as well. Well, so far about 400 trees have been planted. What we hope to see is that the enthusiasm that people have shown for the project is sustained, so we keep people actively involved. We're going to plant another 800 trees over the next 2 years and lots more smaller plantings across the whole area. And we want to see that setting the scene for the new developments that are taking place in Birkenhead. We also want to see people using the open space more actively, so using more cycling, more walking, more active travel. I'm feeling real pride in the change that they're making in their local area.
The community have been involved in lots of different ways, from choosing trees that they want to see outside their front door, to planting with friends of Birkenhead Park and the Park Roots project, through to the Prince's Trust team, who've been involved in media and capturing the changes that the trees and the greening projects have meant to our community. It's been delightful to see how the area has been transformed with the tree planting and the enjoyment that it's brought to lots of people in the community. Young people have commented how they've loved seeing the trees blossom, and elderly people the enjoyment that it's brought as they watch a tree outside of their house window. We're really looking forward to working with the Mersey Forest over the next 2 years to continue with the tree planting scheme and the proposed improvements to Ilchester Park and the area.